Right now I'm going to show you how I apply this Klean strip liquid sandpaper. The project today is this old piece of laminate. For this, of course, I have the product here, the Klean strip liquid sandpaper. I've got some goggles here for safety, and then I've got a lint-free towel to apply it, and then some gloves to protect my hands. So first things first, we'll go ahead and get the gloves on. And then the directions state to simply apply it to a lint-free towel or cloth and apply it in a circular motion and continue applying it basically liberally. So you want to have it nice and saturated. So we'll go ahead and get this towel saturated here. So it's kind of a creamy color here, kind of a milky color, and apply it in a circular motion. That's what they say here, and apply it liberally. Whoop, well there, that's liberal. How's that for liberal? So that was an accident. But let's go ahead and roll with it here and just apply it in a circular motion here. That'll be enough. I am in a well-ventilated area. It does have a slight odor to it, but it's not terrible. All right, so there we go. Now we're just going to let it dry, and then we can go ahead and apply our paint to it and see how it holds up. We'll be back in a few minutes. So it's been about 10 minutes. It's completely dry. I do see little brush strokes in circular motion from my towel here. You probably can't pick that up on the camera. But now let's go ahead and paint it. For this paint, I am using my Valspar cabinet and furniture paint. It's an oil-enriched enamel for cabinets and furniture. So I'm going to go ahead and put a coat of this paint on. Now that the liquid sandpaper is dry, that's one coat. I'll come back and put a second, possibly a third coat on it. That is how you use the Klean strip liquid sandpaper. Now on the back here, it does say just use it instead of sandpaper. So wood, laminate, other products and materials, whatever you would be sanding, you can use this in place of that. And then the directions here, if you're going to be using it in the kitchen or an area where there's heavy grease or wax buildup, you may need to clean that first with TSP. TSP is trisodium phosphate. It's a cleaner that you use before painting. So just keep that in mind, that if there's lots of grease, you need to clean it with TSP first. After I put on my second coat here, I will be testing it. I have painted other laminate and sanded it first. So I will be testing this compared to some other laminate that I've already painted to see how it holds up over time. So if you'd like to subscribe or maybe just come back in a couple weeks, that video will be available so you can actually see how this holds up over time. However, in the meantime, that is just how you use this Klean strip liquid sandpaper. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe. Again, my name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.